Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by In the Money Stocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is February 12th, 2015. Stock that I'm going to show you today is not so much of a trade immediately, but something to watch for after earnings, and it's more of a lesson. So you can see a stock like Tesoro was rallying over the last couple of weeks, and then today they reported earnings. Stock is getting hit pretty sharply. Whenever you see a sharp drop like this, Tesoro this morning is trading down by nearly $6, and that's a pretty significant fall for the equity. That's about a 6-7% drop. Whenever a stock drops by this amount this quickly off of an earnings report and closes down here, there's generally going to be more distribution in the near term. So what you want to do is give the stock 3 to 5 days, let it shake itself out, let it get settled, and then you look for the next support level where you can find a bounce. But I would not immediately jump into an equity like this just due to its real sharp sell-off right from its earnings report. So what I like to do is I like to go back on the chart. I like to look at where the stock had some support prior. And a couple of levels I'm looking at right off the bat would be around the $72 area. You can easily see right around 72 the stock put a base back in November. Also, if you see how the stock came down, it pivoted through the $70 level, found some stability right around 71.5. So you know there goes another area where the stock had a lot of support. Then if you take a look here, the stock traded down to just about, close to $70.75. It rallied back up to 74, stabilized. So all in all, you could see how the market has what we call a vibration zone. It vibrates right around this area. So when you see a stock like this now, I'm just going to zoom back in. You take a look at it around 72 bucks. It gets down to around $72 and it gives you the right chart setup. That's a level where I think you get involved in the equity. Also, what you notice here is the last wide range red bar, price came down and then price stalled right at that level. The next trading day it gapped down and it broke out above that level. So the market's telling you anywhere between 71.50 and 72 bucks. That's going to be a good bounce level for Tesoro if it gets down there. But on a day like today where it just reported earnings, you really don't want to do much with the equity. You let it shake out, usually 3 to 5 days. See if it gets down to 71.5, 72 bucks. Gives you the right chart setup into all of this chart congestion. You can be a buyer of the stock, and I think that would turn out to be a pretty nice bounce trade. It's a stock where you could hold for maybe 2 to 3, possibly even a week's time. So again, keep it on the radar. Tesoro gets down to 72 bucks. That's where we get interested. Not up here at 81 where it just had the big drop off. Again, any bounce here most likely will be met with sellers, and again the stock generally will trade back down. So you want to go where the stock vibrated, and that's around 71.50 to 72 bucks. I think that's where you could trade Tesoro again. This is the trade lesson for today. I hope everybody enjoys live trading action by In the Money Stocks, and my name is Nick Santiago. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you on the charts.